Hello, today we're going to have a WhatPulse video on how to uninstall, install and register for WhatPulse, which is an application which allows you to track how many keys you type, how many clicks you click, how much you move your mouse. It's not a keylogger. We're going to explain this in a future video, but it is not a keylogger. It's not going to keep your passwords at all. So to uninstall, you just have to go to Programs, WhatPulse, Uninstall. But if you still care about WhatPulse, we want to uninstall it on this computer, then what is recommended is to pulse now, and then you go to Account, log off user, then you click Yes. It says you've been logged off, as you can see. Then you go to All Programs, WhatPulse, Uninstall, and if that doesn't work, you can go to Control Panel, Programs, uninstall a program, and just go to WhatPulse, right click, uninstall, and something like this should come up. Just click yes. So that's how you uninstall WhatPulse. If you want to know how to register, so if we go on to register, first of all you have to install the program, and to do that, just go to whatpulse.org. So once you've read the program and convinced yourself that this is a great program, that you should get it, just go to download WhatPulse, click the one which suits you best, so your operating system, like for example Windows, then click save and save it somewhere. I'm going to save it in the desktop to make it easier. Then just wait for it to download. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you just open. Yeah, allow it to change your computer. Then you go to next. Then just agree with this if you agree. Install. Then you wait. Then you run WhatPulse 1.7. So that's how you install WhatPulse. So as you can see now, it's here. The setup is here, and the program itself is here. So as you can see, it's running already, even though it's not connected to an account. So to register, just click the second option, continue, and then for example, I'm gonna register with Xiaomi the alt. Then just create a password. Then the email. So if you ever have any queries about WhatPulse, you can just email me at xiaomithewhatpulser@yahoo.co.nz. Then you click register, and now it's loading. The server is loading. If for some reason that does not work, you can just go to the website, so whatpulse.org/register/ just put the username. So I'm going to put Xiaomi the alt. Initial computer name. So here you put the computer name. So what is the name of your computer? Do you want to name it home? Do you want to name it work? Do you want to name it school? Do you want to name it PC, Mac? Well, just come up with a name. I'm going to put New Zealand. Password. Then email address. say first name, last name, home page, and then you put the country. So just put the country you're from, or the country you'd like to be from. Notice that some countries here basically don't exist. Like Zaire, yeah, that stopped existing in 1994. But just put your favorite country, the country you're from, and that's it. So I'm gonna put Seychelles because I think they've got one of the best flags in the world. So if you want to receive news mailings, I didn't even know they had any, but yeah, apparently they do. Then you just click send. Your account has been created. Yes. However, we need to. So just go to. Now you just go to your email, and that's it. And now you've seen how you register, and now you can officially pulse. So then you just go to the program. I already have an account. You put your account name, the password, check for computer names. Now you just select the computer you're on. So, well, I've only got one computer now, but just select the one you're on. And yeah, that's it. So all you do is, so now you can just, so now you can open like the Open Geek window, you can see, and then you can just pulse now, yep, and refresh, and there you've got some updated stats already. So thanks for watching. Hope this has helped you. I know the video is a bit long, but yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.